Hello and welcome to our latest transfer news. Orlando Pirates have announced three signings ahead of the 2026-27 campaign. On Friday afternoon, the 26th of June 2026, after winning a domestic treble that included ending a 14-year wait for the league title, Orlando Pirates have once again moved swiftly to secure their business as early as possible, just like last season. Having already announced the signings of Mtetele Mtiane, Kampani Lungu, Bohali Ngwato, Sibangani Zulu, now they've added more players. So in a statement that they've released, it says, Orlando Pirates Football Club is delighted to announce the acquisition of Neo Rapo Aphiwe Baliti and Matumi Mulai ahead of the 2026-27 season. The three players join the Buccaneers as the club continues to strengthen the squad and invest in some of the country's most promising talent. Rapu, who's 20 years old, joins the club from Siwelele FC, adding competition to the club's left-back position. The 20-year-old left-back is a product of SuperSports United's development structures and has represented South Africa at youth international level. A modern fullback who is equally comfortable defending and advancing into attacking areas. Rapu brings energy, technical quality, and significant potential. And the statement continued to say, also making the switch from Siwelele is 24-year-old defender Aphiwe Baliti. Primarily a left back, Baliti is capable of operating on either side of defense. His versatility, athleticism, and experience in domestic top flight make him a valuable addition to the club's defensive ranks. Baliti will, however, return to Siwelele FC on a season-long loan for the 2026-27 campaign, where he will continue his development and gain further first-team experience. Completing the trio is central midfielder Matumi Mulai, who joins the Buccaneers from Leicester City. The 23-year-old is an energetic, technically gifted midfielder who is comfortable in position and capable of contributing in different phases of play. His arrival further strengthens the club's midfield options ahead of the new campaign. And the statement concludes with the departures. It says, meanwhile, Orlando Pirates can confirm that Khumulimo Koto and Siyabonga Ndlozi have completed permanent transfer to Sekhukhune FC. Right back Tshepo Mashilwane will also return to Babina Nuku on a season-long loan. That's the statement from Orlando Pirates regarding their new signings. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Orlando Pirates unveiling these signings? Are you impressed with these signings? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. And while we are still in the transfer business, Motsepe Foundation Championship side Cape Town City FC have confirmed that Jayden Rhodes has completed his move to Austrian Bundesliga side SV Ried. The Austrian initially saw their opening bid knocked back by the Citizen. However, they returned to the negotiation table with an improved proposal, ultimately convinced Cape Town City to approve the move. Jayden Rhodes has been one of the best performers for the Citizens since graduating from the club's development structures. And last campaign, his stellar display helped the team to qualify for the PSL promotional and relegation playoffs. And the club had finished second place in the Motsepe Foundation Championship with 54 points after 30 games. However, Cape Town City were unable to secure promotion via the playoffs. So the club announced that they've reached a final agreement with SV Ried for the services of the versatile attacker. Here is a statement from Cape Town City. It says, Cape Town City have reached an agreement with SV Ried for the transfer of Jayden Rhodes, a product of our academy. Jayden Rhodes leaves the club after many years in blue to begin a new chapter in the Austrian Bundesliga. Wishing you all the best, Jayden. That's the statement from Cape Town City. SV Ried also released a statement which says the 23-year-old attacking player is transferring from Cape Town City to our sports club and has signed a contract until 2028 with an option for an additional season. So yeah, both parties have confirmed that Jayden Rhodes has moved to SV Reed. He will be the replacement of Antonio van Wyk, who have just moved to Mamelodi Sundowns. So are you impressed with this signing? Let me hear your thoughts. Those are the transfer news for the day. See you next time.